Assalamu alaikum. How are you children? I hope you will be fine at home. All of you fine. Let's start our learning about the letter and the sound. The name of this letter is C and the sound is K. K. K clock. K clock. K cat. K cat. K cake. K candle. K cake. K candle. K cap. K cap. K camera. K camera. K car. K car. K cup. K cup. K cane. K cane. Cacao. Cacao. K carrot. K carrot. Let's start our activities, children. Do coloring in these pictures. Now start our game, I Spy game. I spy with my little eyes something is here. Start with K. K can. K cupcake. K candy. K clock. K cake. K crab. K car. K cow. K caterpillar. K cat. Now understand all of you. Identify these pictures. Cat, cake, candle, cow, crayon, castle, car, camel. Good, very good. You identify these. Good. This is cat. Writing. Start our writing. Okay, now start C and K. How to start C? In the upper lines, we start curves and add the curves at the bottom. This is curvy C. Okay, understand all of you? Start from the upper three lines C. This is letter C. Now start writing. Okay, now we start small K. K in middle two lines. Okay, it is in middle two line. Curvy K, curvy K. Okay, start from the upper end and at the end of third line. Now this is your homework. Learn and do writing practice of C and K. Allah Hafiz, do your homework by your heart. Allah